On the Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine, it will always tell you which foot to use when you have a stitch selected. So always look here and then also check if the IDT or dual feed is recommended. So to change presser feet, what you want to do is, I love this, that you don't have to get a screwdriver out. So all you need to do is just push down. Usually I'll push down on the front and the back, and it just comes straight down. Now, once you have it off, you kind of notice that you have kind of some claws that are going to align with the little bar that is on the presser foot. So you can put it on kind of two ways. Sometimes what I'll do is just take my foot and lift straight up and it attaches. Or I can also lower the presser foot while kind of guiding it into position, and it'll snap right on. Now, just a reminder that some of your presser feet are set to be used with the IDT and some are without. So for example, this foot that I just put on has the groove in the back. So that needs to be filled in and engaged when for the IDT. Now the foot that I have here does not have that groove, so you do need to remove that, and it just hangs out back here. Again, no screwdriver, I love, but when you need it, you pull it down, and when you don't need it and you're changing feet, they just snap on and off quickly.